welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make pepper chicken. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish that best goes with steamed rice or even with chapathis or dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Then add 50 grams of shallots chopped. Saute well until the shallots are transparent. Then to this add 1 green chilli and few curry leaves. Give the ingredients a very good mix. Now to this add 250 grams of boneless chicken. Mix it well. Now let's add the spices. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now to this add 2 cups of water and mix it well. Cook for 10 minutes until the chicken is well done. Now it's nicely boiling. Continue to cook in medium flame. Now the water has reduced. Continue to cook for 2 more minutes. Now our chicken is perfectly cooked. At this stage add half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Finally sprinkle some curry leaves and off the flame. Now a delicious pepper chicken is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this pepper chicken recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.